Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of your Telegram account on Telegram desktop. Logging out of Telegram can be useful if you are using a shared computer, if you want to switch to another Telegram account, or if you simply want to remove your account from the current device. Before we begin, keep in mind that logging out of Telegram does not delete your account. Your Telegram account will remain active, and you can sign in again whenever you want. Now, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the window. Click the menu button to open the main Telegram menu. From the menu, select Settings. Now you will see your Telegram account settings. To find the Log Out option, look at the top right corner of the Settings window. Click the three-dot menu button. A small menu will appear with additional options. From this menu, select Log Out. Telegram may show a confirmation message asking if you really want to log out of your account. Read the message carefully. If you are sure that you want to log out from this device, click Log Out again to confirm. After confirming, Telegram will sign you out of the current device. You will then return to the Telegram login screen. At this point, your Telegram account is no longer signed in on this computer. Remember, logging out only removes your account from the current device. It does not delete your Telegram account. It also does not permanently delete your messages or account information. If you want to use Telegram on this computer again, simply enter your phone number and complete the verification process. Telegram may send a login code to your Telegram account or through another available verification method. After completing the verification process, you can sign into your account again. Logging out is especially useful when you are using a public computer or a computer that is shared with other people. It is also a good idea to log out if you are finished using Telegram on a device that other people can access, and that's how you can log out of Telegram desktop. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.